hot honey chicken with rice and steamed broccoli is what's for dinner on this weekly quick and easy. You want to see how I made it? Let's go. I'll show you. Hello OFT family. Let's get started on our easy weeknight meal. We're making hot honey chicken. So I have 2 pounds of chicken breast. I used the chicken tenderloins and I sliced it very, very thin on the bias, real thin. So while my oil is heating up, I'm gonna take some hot honey and I'm going to drizzle the hot honey all over the chicken, maybe 1/4 cup. And then I'm going to use 4 cloves of garlic in my press. Put that in there. All right, 1 more clove. And we'll clean this out and get this going. This is incredibly easy, folks. I think it took longer just to slice the chicken. If you don't want it super thin, you can certainly just dice it. It's fine too. So we're gonna mix this around, get the hot honey all over the chicken and the garlic. And we are going to cook this until it's done. It should take probably maybe 8 to 10 minutes. And then once this step is done, I will show you what it looks like and we'll move on to the sauce. Be back in a minute. We are back. Our chicken is done. I wanted to show you how thin I sliced this chicken. I don't know if you've ever been to a Chinese restaurant and they give you that super thin sliced chicken. So my husband tasked me to make super thin sliced chicken just like you get at a Chinese restaurant. So that is what I did, folks. So the chicken is done. So now we're gonna mix up the sauce. So get yourself a measuring cup. You're gonna measure out about 1/4 cup of soy sauce. You want this chicken spicy and sticky. Just a little bit of sesame oil, maybe a teaspoon, just a little bit. A little bit goes a long way, folks. A little bit of sesame oil, about a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. That looks about right. I've made this a time or two, folks. I'm just eyeballing it. And about 1/4 cup of hot honey. You want this to get nice and caramelized with your chicken. Hot honey's talking to me. It's telling me you need to buy some more next time you go to Trader Joe's. All right, let's whisk this up a little bit. And if you want it spicier than just the hot honey, you can certainly add sriracha or chili flakes, whatever your little heart desires. And we are going to pour this over the chicken and let it get thickened up and cook. This will take probably about 5 minutes or so. I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Okay, we are back with our hot honey chicken. Look how good that looks, guys. Do you see the steam coming off of it? I have jasmine rice in here and some steamed broccoli. But this looks like the Chinese meal you get, the real thinly sliced chicken. You see that? All right, we're gonna give her a taste. Something about when you cook it with thinly sliced like that, it changes the taste. It really does. It's sweet, it's spicy from the hot honey, little hint of saltiness from the soy sauce, and I put some sesame seeds in it with some jasmine rice and my broccoli. This is delicious, guys. Make this for your family. It took me all of about 15 minutes to make this meal. So as always, wherever you are today, you are loved, you are blessed, and you are part of our family table. Bye for now.